Hi, Christy Russ here, the Maverick Pharmacist Functional Medicine Health Coach. And today I'm going to talk about a healthy weight loss diet. And of course, I'm going to let you know exactly where to get the information that you need at the end. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so unfortunately, the way most weight loss diets are set up is that one, they are focused on calorie restriction, or two, they are cutting out whole food groups, and really the worst part is that three, they don't take into account the way your body reacts to the foods that you eat. Okay, so here's the thing. The diet that we've all been told is healthy our whole lives, whether it's for weight loss or not, is extremely inflammatory. Okay, that is the underlying cause of every issue, if you didn't know that already. It also causes all kinds of problems with your bowels, which I know isn't a very sexy topic and may not seem like a big deal, but it's often the underlying problem of your issues, including weight loss. Okay, it's also the cause of type 2 diabetes, literally the direct cause. And it also makes you tired, which is why you usually feel like you need a siesta in the middle of the afternoon. It also makes your body store fat. And so that's why I find it ridiculous that other weight loss programs don't take this into account. I mean, how are you supposed to have any kind of success when you end up with this hormone running around your body telling it to store fat? Because that's what happens. And our healthy diet actually causes your cravings and makes you hungry. So we have all these people out there that think they're emotional eaters or they have no willpower, but it's actually the normal response to their food choices. And I actually had a client who was a confessed craving junkie. You know, he knew he shouldn't be eating the things that he was, but he just couldn't stop himself. And when I told him that if he just changed up his food choices, his cravings would be completely gone, he looked at me like I was crazy. And sure enough, though, by the end of just 1 week, his cravings were totally gone. And he had more energy than he'd had in decades, and he was already down 22 pounds. 3 months later, he had the energy from his teens again, and he was down almost 70 pounds. And an added bonus was that he didn't need his blood pressure or cholesterol medication anymore. But it means relearning what foods are actually healthy. Because we got people eating all this food that they think's healthy, that they really should be avoiding, and avoiding all this food that they think is bad for them, that they really need to be eating more of. So it's a whole re-education to know what foods you should be eating. So I found I was having to give everyone the same information all the time. So what I did was create an online home study program to make it easy. So you get the exact list of foods that are actually healthy and will help you lose the weight. The program also shows you how to easily incorporate these changes into your life so that it's easy to do, no overwhelm. There's nothing extreme or difficult about it. It's just choosing the right foods. Okay, there's no weighing or measuring or feeling deprived. It's definitely something you can sustain over a lifetime, which means that the weight's going to stay off because that's really what you want, right? So the program is actually a full health program because that's what I'm all about, of course. A healthy body maintains a healthy weight. Hey. So you also get lots more information on exercise, toxins, supplements, sleep, stress, and so on. Whether you want to do that or you just want to focus on the weight loss part, the food part, totally up to you. Because it's given to you in little bite-sized chunks so that it's not overwhelming and you can work through the program at your own pace. This program has been extremely successful for so many people looking for simple and permanent weight loss. And it's the best way to get access to my training at a fraction of the cost that it would be for one-on-one coaching. So just go to the link shown here, and I will put this link in the description of the video as well, so that hopefully you can just click it for more information and start applying the principles today. Okay, if you want to hear from someone that's been through it, watch the next video called Simple Weight Loss Diet, and she tells you about her whole experience. Okay, Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please like it and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon.